How to open Tide bank account. Tide is a UK-based fintech company that provides business accounts and financial services mainly for small and medium-sized enterprises through its mobile-first platform. It isn't a bank itself, but partners with regulated banks like Clearbank to offer accounts. First, go to Tide Bank website. Click on Open an account. Enter your first name, last name, email address, mobile number, company or trading name. Please tick this box if your company is not registered with Companies House. Then check those boxes and click Get Started. Now it's saying to download Tide Bank application from Google Play Store or App Store. Click on Sign Up and enter your previous email address. Now you need to verify your identity through passport or driving license. Click on Next. Now select your document option. Now take a photo of your document and your account will be created. That's it. Thanks for watching.